guys. Harvestan po natin yung konting long beans at saka isang bell pepper. Hinog na. There's more coming, but they're still small. Okay, let's go harvest. Kukunin po natin yung eggplant. Oh gosh. Ayan na. May gugulayin na. Yan lang po yung garden ko. Maliit lang. Wala pa siyang masyadong tanim kasi sobrang init ngayon. Hello, my dear. Mukhang uulan. 2 days na tong ganito pero hindi umulan talaga. Sana umulan ngayon, Lord. Kasi tingnan nyo yung grass. Wala na talaga. Hindi na nakasurvive. Ito lang yung green na green kasi palaging nadidiligan. At hindi siya sa araw. Hindi siya na-araw masyado. What? What?
I thought it was raining.
What's raining?
I thought it was raining.
Oh, raining. Not yet. Not yet. Look. Hi, Cleopatra. Windy kayo. Cleopatra, my dear. Oh. So pretty. So pretty, my love. Wow.